final expense insurance?
I've heard of this. I've also heard you can't be turned down for health reasons.
But applying for life insurance can be so difficult.
My friend Sarah's mom just got this policy with MetLife. There were no medical questions or exams, and it was affordable.
Oh.
You need the protection.
If you're age 45 to 60, final expense full life insurance can help protect your spouse and loved ones from the burden of medical bills, credit card debt, and funeral expenses. Premiums start at $10 per month, and you cannot be turned down for health reasons. If you thought you couldn't get coverage before, now you can.
No, Kitty, no, don't go there. No, no.
Save up to 65%. Call your travel agent or 1-800-SANDALS.
From our start 30 years ago, Papa John's has only gotten better.
Celebrate 30 years of Papa John's. Get a large one-topping pizza for just 30 cents when you buy any large pizza, even specialties at regular menu price. Order now at papajohns.com.
The decision was made. We weren't making a move. We had to. We knew that if we came in too high, it would cost us big time. We had to stay low. And boy, did we. We locked it in and rode that low rate from Navy Federal Credit Union all the way to our first house. It's a split-level ranch. So cute.
4 million members, 4 million stories. Navy Federal Credit Union.
Xfinity On Demand presents.
I'm Cecil Gaines. I'm a new bus.
Lee Daniels, the butler, is triumphant.
How's your boy doing? I feel like we're living in two different worlds.
He's moving and powerful.
Miss Rosie and then his son. It's a great guy.
Footage of beautiful performance.
When I was in jail, I need is my husband.
And Forrest Whitaker is mesmerizing. Get instant access to the hottest new releases with Xfinity On Demand. Find it here with Xfinity On Demand. Friday is Family Friday. Modern Family Friday. Use hashtag TGIMF and see your comments live on air. USA. Characters welcome. Take the door now.
Hold on, wait.
Stand back.
No. Don't do this.
We're down on the wall camera.
Hello, hello, little baby.
You bust in it right now. You'll kill the call.
Please.
Okay, but one raised voice will come in.
Eddie. Eddie, it's Detective Benson. I'm sorry I couldn't talk before, but I'm here now. Can you tell me what's going on?
There's a lot of blood.
Okay. Can you tell me who got hurt?
Yes. Just wouldn't stop. No, she wouldn't shut up. I didn't mean to.
I know, Eddie. I know. But we can't leave a wounded person in there, all right? So we have to come in, okay? Will you let me help you? Eddie? We need to come in and help Jess, okay?
Kitty,
Stand back.
off my arm.
I didn't know you wounded. I know that you're scared right now. But it's gonna be okay if you trust me. Can you do that for me? Eddie? Just let me come in there and help Jess, all right?
Come here.
Please, Eddie?
Just you. By yourself. Sure.
Open the door, okay, Eddie?
Have the gun pointed right at Lily. If this is a trick, it's not a trick. It's not a trick.
It's okay, Eddie. It's okay. See? There's no gun. I'm gonna go to Jess now, all right? Hey.
go, let go, let go, let go, let go.
Just go.
How's Liv holding up? He's got a gun pointed at her.
Well, can't they get him through the window?
You do not take that chance.
Who's this woman? I have no idea.
Tonight,
We don't know what we're dealing with here.
with only 2 episodes left until the season finale,
She's got an entire folder on Neil's childhood. She had us all fooled. That's not easy to do.
the hunters
I want you to stay away from this. I can't trust anyone right now.
become the hunted.
Rebecca.
White Collar, all new episode tonight at 9, only on USA. Characters welcome.
When different people come together in pursuit of the same goal, the same excellence, the same reward, are they really rivals? Or are they fundamentally, uniquely the same? The Olympic Winter Games begin February 6th on NBC.
It's in their eyes, in their behavior. Your cat and a lynx. It's a shared spirit of the wild. You see, a lynx is your cat's ancestor. They have many similar traits, like a love for meat. That's why there's Blue Wilderness, a meat-rich
You're so cute.
satisfies a primitive instinct in every feline. It contains
Look
more
at-
of the chicken, duck, or salmon they desire.
Come here, baby kitty.
Blue Wilderness today, because your cat is wild inside.
I know it's hard for you to get around when you're disabled, but you need your Social Security disability benefits. So, lots of times with Bender and Bender, you just stay home and we work for you on the phone. Call 1-800-66-BINDER.
Hey, 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 hey. Look over at the camera.
Flora capsule every day is all it takes to help maintain good digestive health. Ultimate Flora is the high-potency probiotic that replenishes your body with 30 billion live cultures. Try Ultimate Flora today. If I'm not healthy, it's chaos. The prebiotic fiber in almond is clinically proven to naturally activate my immune system. With twice the
Come
amount of
here.
vitamin C.
Come here, little baby.
Pharmacy and supercenters near you.
Before ITT Tech, I was bartending, and sometimes I had to work 2 different jobs. I work for Play Network. I'm a network support engineer. I definitely would have gone to ITT Tech much earlier than I did. I don't know what I was waiting for.
Aww.
Scholarships and financial aid
You're
are
so
available for
cute.
students who qualify. Call 800-327-1172 or visit us on the web. ITT Technical Institute. Education for the future.
That first sneeze, you have a pre-cold. The first sign of full-blown cold is coming. Take Zicam now. It's clinically shown to show
Good mama.
Zicam. Go from pre-cold to no cold faster.
From our strip in Brooklyn, we're Kat and Gracie Greenleaf, hosts of USA Daytime. All week long throughout the day, we'll be talking to celebrities, tastemakers, and trailblazers. This week, we're talking to sports legends
Go to mama.
Henrik Lundqvist, Andre Agassi, and John McEnroe. Catch us weekdays from 11 to 3 on USA. Characters welcome.
Honey, how about we let my partner come in here? We're gonna let Lily go.
She's my girl. I can't believe that my mom came here. You know, she used to be a beauty queen. Bet she heard there were cameras here.
Well, I think she cares about you.
She left me. What kind of mother does that?
I know that she didn't want to.
Don't mother me, okay? I had a mother. She's a liar.
Well, your sister cares about you. She told me that she wrote to you and she Facebooked you, but you didn't respond.
Oh, yeah. She missed me so much. She could have visited. She never came back.
She couldn't. Your father told her that if she tried to visit you, that he would cut them off. And you.
I don't believe you. Why would he say that?